Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So this is a second-hand dealer agents here in Georgia. They have different kind of cars, Ford, Chevrolet, and different kind. It's a nice. Guys, nag-testing na si Miss Del. Test drive daw siya. Yan yung sasakyan. So, yan yung sasakyan. Test drive. Kakaiba.